If you're looking for a cheap and inexpensive way to keep your home warm in the winter or cool in the summer, or perhaps you need to fix a draft coming through one of your doors, take a look at this right here. This is Door Silicone Seal Weather Stripping, and it will transform your home. Hey, Wild here, and welcome my dudes to my channel where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Now, if you're not familiar with this type of weather stripping, basically it's a silicone adhesive strip that has this little flap or wing on it that prevents wind, dust, water, insects, and noise from entering your home through the gaps. Since it helps with sealing off gaps, it allows your home to become more energy efficient, stopping heat and cold from escaping during the summer and winter months. So this way you stop burning cash. And let me tell you, this stuff works fantastic. The day I installed it on a few of my doors, I noticed a huge change that night. This weather stripping is super easy to install. All you need to do is make sure the surface area is clean and dry. Remove the adhesive strip and apply to the area, and yeah, that's it. You'll notice within a few hours a difference. A personal note is really make sure the place that you're applying to is very clean and dry. If it's dirty, you'll get all these marks on it just like this, and it'll fall off eventually, which is why I have this strip here to display for you. Basically, I was lazy and I thought I could get it to stay, but it fell down in a couple of months because I didn't take the time to clean and dry the area. While this weather stripping is great for doors, you can use it on a bunch of other things too, like windows, cabinets, showers, and more. This weather stripping here comes in many different lengths and different sizes for the flap. So make sure you measure it before you order. It does come in 3 different colors: white, black, and just like you see here, clear, which is generally my go-to. This one right here, which was 26 feet, cost me just under $15 on Amazon. And it's one of the best upgrades I have ever done to my house. I honestly wish I would have done it sooner. It truly is one of the best ways to keep your home warm for the cheap. And I'm amazed at how much dust and dirt it actually prevents from coming into my house. Something that's super important to me because I live at the end of a long driveway where the wind just seems to collect. Now make sure you use the links down below for the best price, and those links do help me out, so thank you very much. If you need any other awesome one-up reviews from me, check the videos out over to my side where you can see more of my beautiful face helping you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.